Hey guys, it's Matthew Klein here, and in today's video I'll be doing some maintenance pruning on my Snow Rose Serissa, or a tree of 1,000 stars. So let's get started. Before we start, I just want to show you guys that I finally have a turntable that I can spin around and showing you guys the tree from all angles. And this is thanks to my brother and his wife. So thank you very much. This will help the videos quite a lot. I potted this tree in beginning of October, so all these growths are from the beginning of October. So let me start with just doing a rough profile prune, and that just means taking back all these super long shoots to just where the height of the canopy of the tree is. Okay, now that everything is in the rough shape that I want, I can go in and fine-tune and choose branches and see if there's some crossing branches or not. There's a dead branch over here that I'm gonna take out. Didn't have any foliage on it, so we know it's dead. Cleaning some inside branches. There's two branches growing into each other over here. You can see this one and then this bottom one, and I wonder if it will look better without this part, or this branch is actually growing from underneath another branch, so that's why I'll get rid of it. So this branch is hanging a bit low now. But I'm gonna get rid of this branch as well, because not just because it's hanging low now here, but if you go follow it's actually coming from the back of the tree and growing horizontally into the front. So I'm just gonna take it off at the tip there. There's another branches going into each other, and there's 1, 2, 3 coming from the same direction, and this one is actually growing into another branch, so I'll take it off. Another dead part or a stump that I took off. So Serissas grow very dense inside, so you will always have to clean up and make sure there's no crossing branches or other branches getting shaded out, so that the light won't go through the whole tree. So always make sure there's enough light being able to go through all the branches. There's some lower branches here that this lower branch that I'll take off. This is how much I took off, not a lot, but the shoots were starting to get too long and started to get too hard, so I had to take it off today. Let me give the tree a little spin for you guys so you can see it from all angles. So this is currently my front. So let's go around, and this is the back. You can see there's a ugly wound over here that it looks like the trunk bulged up, didn't heal well, so I'll probably make it more flush in next spring. Or maybe if anyone they can let me know in the comments if I can do it now in summer, just making it flush, but I think I'll leave it for next spring. And as the trunk thickens up, it will smooth out this bulge as well a little bit, so I'm not too worried, and it's the back of the tree. And then back to the front. Thank you for watching the maintenance pruning of this Snow Rose Serissa, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, cheers.